peacocks. That's right. Peacocks. Mama! This thing is eating out of my hand. It hurts. It really does hurt. Ow! But it's eating out of my hand. Ow! Ow! I can't do it anymore. I really wonder if this thing will let me pet it. I don't know if it will. I don't think so. It's starting to rock away from me. I can get its tail. No. You jerk! Look at that. So long. Pretty. Every time. Come here, little birdie. Come here. Yeah.
He was almost ready to puff up his tail. You said it's a threat, you know.
I know. I kind of wanted to, but I didn't want him to eat me. So I didn't make him puff up his tail. Woo!
Oh, my. Michael.
Oh my god. This male is trying to hook up with that female over there. Look at him. This is so cool. I am so excited right now. That's my favorite color. You realize this, right? Oh boy.
Oh, how beautiful.
I'm so excited right now.
And my camera's in the car.
Yeah, your nice pictures. Mother, it's
but
okay.
You can get good ones out of that camera.
I've got video, so it's cool. Shaking his butt at it. Well, trying to attract the female that's on the other side of his beautiful thing there. Oh, it's so pretty. Dude, he just has to do that to get out of the shade, or out of the sun. I'm gonna go on the other side. I'm thinking that if he turns this way again, that I can see his colors, because the sun is over here. Hey, birdie! I think that pigeon really wants out, but can't figure it out. Oh, poor thing. Look at that pigeon. He's trying so hard to get out. So pretty. He's not turning around. He's getting his butt wiped. Come on, dude. Turn around. How do I get his attention?
sound like a peacock.
Yeah, failed attempt. Oh, you suck, dude. Come on, really? He's like, I know. Dude, just put him up again and face me. Come on. You butt wipes. Come on, put him up. The sun's facing this way. It's pretty. You're a jerk. Whatever, dude. Whatever. That poor pigeon. Trying so hard. She's so pretty. Okay, turtle dove, whatever. It looks like a pigeon. There's this really pretty white one over here. It's got a nice long tail. I'm gonna go see if I can catch it. Look at that. It's got cute little tufts on its head. See? Oh, he's running away from me. I don't know if it's like albino or if it's just white. I don't know anything about peacocks. This is really big. He's chilling on the grass too. Hey, buddy. Alright, we're leaving now.